This is another day. I'm going to the house again. I stopped for some coffee. Basically, we have some other problems to solve, and we need to decide on things like where the curtain is gonna go. I don't know, it's stressful. Like, I have no idea. I have to research that, and we need to decide right now. Also, I wanted to incorporate in my house something that is like modern and something that you wouldn't see in other homes. Like, for myself, in general, like if you ever want to sell the house, it feels like it would have like a nice value, like a nice touch, that like someone was putting more effort into the house. So I wanted to have this like Japanese toilet because it looked amazing in like all the vlogs that I saw from Japan, and I was like, oh, imagine if I had that at home. That would be so freaking cool. And yeah, I basically ordered it, and then I figured that I need to wait for it for over like a month, up to 8 weeks, so it's 2 months, and that is insane amount of time. And then like I counted all the expenses that I'll still have to do, and it just feels like it's so much money, and I'd rather do other things, and I will be able to do more things in the house and move in faster if I didn't do that thing. Kills Batman. It kind of kills the mood. Also, mood killer is this quarantine and everything is closed. Whenever I would walk in IKEA, I would dream about, ooh, like picking tiles, picking furniture, picking faucets and everything. And now I have to do these things online. We're going to rent some tools. Oh my god, my camera is dying.
So it was time for the first packages that are arriving to the house. This was the first floor's powder room, toilet, sink. I needed the smallest one that I can find because the toilet room is very, very small. So I was even checking if there is like enough room for your hands and everything. It felt okay, I guess. I mean, it's literally the smallest in the stores that I could find. Because it is not the regular fit, I couldn't find any cabinets that I could put below it as other people do. So I guess I'll just live without it.
Oof, my cheeks are so red right now. I fixed my dad's car. I was in like a garage where they fix cars. I don't know how you call that place anymore. Anyway, I fixed my dad's car. My car is still broken, but my dad wouldn't be able to go back home tomorrow if the car wasn't fixed. So like I quickly fixed it and driving my dad's car, so that's a completely different experience right now. Mine is filthy right now because I haven't cleaned it for a year. I'm joking, probably half a year. Oh my god, it's so difficult to drive his car. Anyway, I'm looking for a place where I can bring the big amount of trash that it's left over from all kinds of things that are like related to renovation. We're chilling. We're hard chilling because the area is kind of closed because they're cleaning it. I hope he's gonna fit through. Anyway, I don't know if I'm at the right place. Oh my god, I'm getting tired here. Hello? How long is it gonna take? Please! I can't even think about going back because there is a huge traffic going back. It's already 4. What a pain. There's a car behind me. It kind of sucks that we can't use it while someone is cleaning it. Like, it might take an hour and we'll wait here. I don't know, dude. I mean, I might as well because it's a traffic time. It's whatever. Wherever I am, doesn't matter. It's better than being in the traffic.
So because the stores were still not open at this time, I had to look for inspiration of things that I can get in the stores online. And I figured that I want to go for some kind of bold accent floor tiles, and this was like my first inspo. Then I had to figure out how I want my tiles to look on the walls, whether I want it to be horizontal, vertical, or a zigzag. I was also not sure about the scale of the tiles because there were so many beautiful ones and it was hard to decide. My mind was blowing at this moment. Like, my dad could see how depressed I am in a way because it's so hard to make a decision because you're committing, like, you cannot change that, you know? And that was so overwhelming. First of all, I had this idea that I want all the tiles to be in big scale and the same with major crazy stone pattern. I thought it was cool, but it's a big statement. The other idea was to use very small and thin tiles that will look so great and rustic, yet I was scared that I would get too tired of this rustic feel because I want home to look clean and modern. So I was lucky enough that after a few weeks when I started looking for the tiles, the store started opening, and this was the first time I went to the physical store to see how the tiles look like. And that's why I was so overwhelmed, because everything looks so different on the internet, and in real life you don't know what you want anymore. Everything is too beautiful or too expensive. For the first floor, me and my dad looked for inspiration on Pinterest, and this was the inspo picture that we took. We went to this tile store and we chose the affordable but decent looking black tile for the back and the flooring, and then we were choosing the side tiles. So obviously we went for a thin marble like look to make them somewhat similar yet different color. And then I made a very interesting decision. I wanted something interesting, unique, and I chose this star pattern tile that is called Orion, which is obviously, if you know me, you know that this is my favorite star pattern, let's say, in the sky. So this was just meant to be in my house. The problem was what complementary tiles for the walls I should choose. There were so many options until I found these tiles that are super subtle yet not too white to match this rustic glossy feel and look of the tiles of the flooring.
So another week is over that we were able to do something in the house, and this week was basically focusing on the ceiling formation of the second floor, and then we're gonna go down to the first floor. There's gonna be more things to do in the first floor, I think, than in the second floor. But I would say my dad and his friend, they did an amazing job. This was an amazing week for me too. It was really nice to see everything change, and yeah, I'm very, very happy how it starts to look like home. Like, finally the house has a ceiling now. It's insane. Like, you can literally imagine in this box there's gonna be furniture and stuff. So we love that. We freaking love that. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just very excited. So today it is Saturday and my dad is leaving. He is doing some final finishes for this week. And then we'll continue doing stuff after 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It depends when he'll be able to or come here again. And in a way, it's really nice too that I'm not alone. My dad is helping me. I don't know. I'm with people. I'm spending some time every day with some other people, and I'm not just spending it with my dog. So it's, I don't know, it's really cool. And I'll feel very sad when I'll just be alone in the city again. That's why I'm sometimes feeling a little bit anxious when I'll be living in the house. Just thinking of just being there all alone is kinda weird.